So as an Excel user, it is important you know how to work smarter and faster in Excel. So I'll be teaching you how to use the fill function. So the fill function will help you separate these names. So let's assume on these names we have Peter John, Ibrahim, Musa, and so on and so forth. So we want to separate this Peter so that Peter will stand on the first name and the John will stand on the last name. So we don't want the two names to stand in the same cell. We want them to be differently. So what we will do is simple. We simply come to this place. All you need to do is to type Peter, the first name. So we type Peter. So once you have typed Peter, click outside, but make sure you are still clicking on this particular column B. Just click outside anywhere and you hit your control key. So you hit Control E. So once you hit Control E, it automatically fills all the names for you. As easy as that. So we can still delete all this and even delete this Peter, and maybe you want to use this particular Mary. You can still simply type Mary. So once you type Mary, you touch outside but still maintain the same column, then you type Control E. It will fill it automatically. Then you come to this last name, you type John because John is the last name for Peter. So you type John. After you have typed John, you do the same thing. You click outside, make sure you are still standing on that particular column, then you click Control E. So this is how to use the fill function. It makes your work easy, faster, and more efficient. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my subsequent video. Bye for now.